How's it going, everyone? It's your boy FreeMadC2 and welcome back to another episode on my channel. As you see here, the FD has been in storage while I collect parts, but today that all changes. First up on the installation is KTS's 6-point rear strut bar. It's such a simple installation to achieve chassis stiffness and give that eye-catching interior look you've been wanting. The strut bar is 3 pieces, a middle section, and 2 strut mounts. Being a JDM product, the strut bar was meant for FDs with rear seats. Easy fix is to cut the outer bolts for the rear bin so the strut mounts can clear. While the paint is drying for the bolts I just cut off, let's install LRB Spare Tire Trunk cover. This product is also an easy installation and it is useful for those that have deleted the spare tire in the back for weight reduction purposes. But if you did retain the spare tire, the kit comes with these nylon spacers for clearance. Now that the paint is dry, we can now install our strut bar. A bag of bolts will always seem overwhelming, but let me break it down for you. For the top of the strut mount, you'll be reusing the OEM nuts that were originally there. Next, you'll be using 2 12mm bolts, 2 crush washers, and 2 washers on each side for the bottom of the strut mount. Insert washers in that order. Repeat the same process on the other side. For torque specs, the 3 14mm nuts on top of the strut tower needs to be torqued to 34 foot-pounds. The new 12mm bolts on the bottom, I just hand tied it in them. We are officially on the last step, which is the middle section. And here's the order of the bolt, washer, and nut to use on each corner. Besides these extra washers, which I have no idea where they go, both of these products were an easy install. If you do, please leave a comment below. Now let's end this episode with our outro.